Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to be combining Chi Sao with the opening of the Chum Kiu form and how to apply the Buji form and train it from Chi Sao. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes and click like and subscribe and hit the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
Okay, level 6.2, two-hand Chi Sao. The Chi Sao, 90% of the Chi Sao at this level is going to come from utilizing Chi Sao from the Chum Kiu form. So first we'll talk about is the double Buji. So from a Luk Sao roll from here, you can do this on either side. So from my rolling, I'm going to use my Tan Sao. So remember, keep the elbow down, turn the Tan into a Chun, to a lop at the elbow, Buji to the neck, check, Pak Sao Buji. So again, moving from Luk Sao roll, Tan Sao, lop Buji, Pak Buji. One more time. From my roll, my Tan Sao, my lop Sao Buji, and my Pak Sao Buji.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.